Welcome to ProStructures Concrete Modeling Learning Path. In this video, you will learn how to add curbs and notches to slabs. Starting in the same model as previously, go to Home tab, Concrete Placement, and select Add Slab feature from the Slab drop-down. Then in the Curb/Notch section, set the width to be 2 feet and height to be 6 inches. Now click on Create Curb icon. Select the slab, then select the edge of the slab and the direction at which to create a curb. The curb will be created along that edge. Now open the Add Slab feature tool again. Now click on Create Full Notch on Edge icon. Again, select the slab and then one edge of it and click towards inside of the slab. This will create a notch in the direction you have clicked, along the whole edge. Open the Add Slab feature one last time and select Create Partial Notch icon. Select the slab and then select one point at the edge of the slab and another point at a distance. Then select the direction at which to notch, and a partial notch between those 2 points will be created. With all this complete, you've learned how to create curbs and notches in a slab.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.